thinking about the barriers to exercise, what holds us back from being consistent with our fitness routine. And in midlife and beyond, one of the real factors is fear. Fear of injury, whether that's due to a past injury, a medical condition, or just being uncertain and holding back. And I just want to say in this video, that is real. And there's no easy answer to that because we're all different. Everybody does have past experiences. We have different either medical diagnoses or family history. And so there's a lot of factors to take in when we're in our 50s and beyond, which is my channel, Fitness Over 50. So these are real concerns. And to compound that, we have the internet. So you can Google things, go on social media, go on YouTube, and really you can find so much conflicting information. You can search, should I take calcium or should I not take calcium as an example, and you'll probably find information on both sides. Should I do squats? Shouldn't I do squats? Should I run? Shouldn't I run? And there's always going to be two sides to it, not only on the internet, but friends and family. And you'll also have people in your life maybe who are telling you, you have to do this thing. It's the best. You have to do yoga, Pilates, running, pickleball, on and swimming in the ocean. And for them, it really does work. But again, we're all individual. And so I don't have an easy answer, but there is something for all of us, and maybe more than one thing. Start slow. Here's my thoughts around this fear is whatever you choose to do, whatever feels right to you, start slow. Talk to your doctor, your healthcare provider that you trust to know what things you should avoid, if any. And I always talk about buying a good pair of supportive running shoes, whether you're working out indoors, you're doing outdoor activities, whatever you're doing. Our feet are so important, and that one investment, good quality running shoes, replace them about every year, just as an easy guideline. Once a year, treat yourself, buy a new pair of running shoes, and then listen to your body. And what does that mean? If your body is saying, I don't like this, this hurts, I have discomfort, I dread doing this activity, those are all really important things to listen to and find something different. An example is, I'm not a super flexible person, and in the past I've gone to yoga classes. I love yoga, but I have gone to more intense yoga classes, and looking around the room, I'm thinking, wow, all these people are, able to reach into that position. I should be able to as well, and then push myself a little bit further and then end up with a temporary injury and then have to not go to yoga class for a couple of weeks while I let that heal. And that can be applied to, any activity. So starting slow, getting your medical advice, invest in good running shoes, and then really listening to your own body. And a thing to consider is that there's also risks, of course, to a sedentary lifestyle. So if we have a sedentary lifestyle, it increases our risk of many diseases. And as well, then if you are sedentary and then one day you decide to go for a hike with friends, you may be at a higher risk as opposed to if you are exercising on a regular basis. Or the example of if you're somewhere where it snows in the winter, you get a snowfall and you go out and shovel snow when you haven't been doing any other physical activities, then, you're probably going to be at a higher risk for having some kind of injury or really feeling it the next day. So it's really a balance. And I just wanted to come on here today and just start this conversation that these concerns and fears are real. So comment below, let me know your thoughts. What are there things that you avoid doing? Are there things that you're nervous about doing? Have you found that activity, that fitness activity that really works for you? Let other people know about it, because it's great to gather information and then figure out what works for you. So I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks for listening in. I wanted to just get on here and do an unedited, talking to a friend type of video. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Take good care.